In this video, we are going to talk about base and derived units that we use for measurements, as well as the metric prefixes, their abbreviations, and values. The SI base units are the standard units for measuring each of these quantities. For example, whenever we're measuring length, the SI base unit is in terms of meters. While sometimes it's more convenient to report things in terms of centimeters or kilometers, the base unit is meters, but we often see them measured in other ways. The same thing goes for mass, which has a base unit of kilograms, temperature, which is units of Kelvin, time in seconds, and the amount of substance in moles, and we'll talk about moles at a later day. We will also see derived units for some measurements, such as density. A derived unit is a unit which combines one or more base units to find a new unit. So for density, the unit will be kilograms per meters cubed, but we often see density in terms of grams per centimeter cubed. For area, we are in meters squared, and for volume, it's meters cubed. Metric prefixes are used to modify those base units. If we were looking at a small mass of something, instead of talking about kilograms, we might talk about milligrams. For a distance, if it was a long distance, instead of discussing it as meters, we might talk about it in terms of kilometers. So these modifiers, these prefixes, can be used with any of our base units. The metric prefixes that you're responsible for knowing are listed in the Concepts to Memorize sheet, which is posted in a link on Canvas. This shows the prefixes, abbreviations, and meanings of the ones you are expected to know in preparation for exams. In healthcare, amounts are often given in terms of micro or milligrams. Because of the ease of confusing the handwritten mu symbol with the M for milli, in healthcare you often see MC instead of mu for micro. So you might see written as microliters or MC liters. Both of these mean the exact same thing. This is an important thing to realize because there is a 1,000-fold difference between a milligram and a microgram. So 1,000 microliters is equal to 1 milliliter, and 1,000 micrograms is equal to 1 milligram. So giving a patient the wrong dose could result in a very high dose or a very low dose. Either way, it's not beneficial to the patient.